A start by Bartek Marcelak, the young Polish driver there. He's doing everything he needs to win this race. Came off the line, I think he was running a slightly bigger propeller than Sean Torrente, who seemed to have the legs on him. But as he increased in speed, he had a bigger propeller, more top-end speed, and he was able to get into that first turn just ahead of Torrente and start making his way forward. He's got clear water ahead of him, Steve, for a while. This is where he could really make up some ground.
All right, and you can see Jonas Anderson trying to push up on Eric Stark, but Stark is able to pull away. Jonas Anderson dropping back. I wonder if the 2021 world champion may have a bit of a problem here, but he comes charging